You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting car brand names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Now, the car brand name is often said as Hyundai, but it should be said as Hyundai. Hyundai. Some say it as Hyundai. Well, no, it's Hyundai. Hyundai is how it is said in Korean. Ioniq. Hyundai Ioniq. And now you know. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.